you like me. Curiosity, the Cadillac you see. Stranded on the carpet, head on to the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, hated metaphor, and later made her cry. What's been changing in this so apparent? Got a cold white rabbit's foot home. Start the day. Space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never weak. I'm living in like a kid.